you're on a channel that's called Milana Blogs, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make beaded jewelry. Now I know I have done a video like this before, but this is going to be an updated version because today I'm going to be showing you how to make beaded jewelry with clasps. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. But before we start, this video actually took a long time to make since I had to order a bunch of new stuff. So here are a few clips of me receiving all of my packages. Guys, I just came home. I just picked up my package. It finally came in. It finally came in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I open it correctly? Oh my god. Look. Okay, let's. Oh my god, look how cute it is. Wait, I imagine these to be a little bigger, but I mean they're cute. Oh my god. Hey guys, me again. I just received 3 of my packages. And right now I'm going to open them. I'm so excited because 3 of them came just now. Oh my god. I think it's all of the attachments that I ordered. I'm so excited. Let's open them up. Oh my god, look. And they're nice size. Oh my god. These are the jump rings. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. They're so small. Now that we can finally go on with the video, let's talk about what we will be needing. The first thing is obviously beads, then our string, then some tweezers, then a needle, scissors, our jump rings, clasps, crimp beads, and a crimping tool. Before we actually get started beading, I want to show you guys some of the jewelry I have already made. First are these 2 flower rings. Next we have my rainbow flower necklace. And then also this flower necklace. So for this first design, I'm actually going to be making a name necklace. As you can see on the time lapse, I have picked out letters to spell out my name. I decided to put 2 pink stars on the sides. The first thing I do is cut a long piece of string because you can never be too safe. Then I take my needle and thread it on to the string. And now I'm just going to thread on the beads. guys noticed, the letter beads are actually colorful, and the colors of them are orange, purple, pink, blue, orange, yellow. And I decided to do those colors as the pattern of the necklace, except in reverse. Now that I've finished beading all of the beads on, it's time to attach the attachments. First thing I do is take up one clasp and take out one crimp bead. Next thing I do is thread on the crimp bead first and then the clasps. Then I take my needle and thread it through the crimp. Now you need to take the crimping tool and squish down on the crimp bead. And you're done. Now we need to do the same thing on the other side, except with a jump ring. And also you can cut off the excess string. And this is how the necklace turned out. For this next bracelet, I'm actually going to be telling you guys how to make beaded flowers. The first thing is obviously cut yourself some string and thread on a needle, and then thread and crimp on one of your attachment pieces. Next, you're going to choose any beads you want for your pattern and thread them on. For my pattern, I decided to choose 2 shades of green. So for the flower, you want to bead on 1 bead of the petal color, then 1 bead of the color you want in the middle, and then 3 more beads of the petal color. Then you want to thread the needle through the bottom bead as shown here. Then thread on 2 more of your petal colors. And then you're going to thread your needle through the bead that is under your middle color. And that's how you make a flower. This is how my bracelet came out. Our tutorial. If you like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram if you haven't already, and that was it. Bye guys!